Make sure to stand till the end. 90% even of the mechanics will do that mistake sooner or later. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a car. It could be any car. Let's say you guys remove the front or rear wheel on your car to maybe replace tires, balance tires, anything guys, work on your brakes, shocks, anything that requires removing the wheel. You put it back on, you start driving the car and you have that scraping, grinding noise while driving. Stay with us, we'll explain what an easy fix that is in most cases guys, because that's something that I guarantee you sooner or later 9 out of 10 people will do guys, because of a proximity to a certain plate that can actually affect your brakes. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from guys, and you can save a ton of money. So what we have here specifically guys, this is a BMW that we'll be demonstrating on. Many of you requested that information in the comment section below, and we decided to make a video quick because we experienced that ourselves. So this is guys, we have the wheel removed here completely, it's out of the car. We're putting new brakes now, and anytime you remove the wheel, sometimes you have the possibility to have that scraping, grinding noise after that. Why? Because when you have the roller right here, let's just install the disc roller now. We're going to put it on the hub, and we want to show you what we have here. This is known as a backing plate. This is the plate behind the roller, and when that backing plate guys, when it comes, you can see how close it is to the roller, especially on the bottom as well, right here. And let's say you remove your wheel, but you accidentally guys catch that plate will bend. When it bends, on top or bottom, sometimes the wheel will fall here when you remove it off the lug nuts, and that backing plate will start grinding the roller on the back side. So what you will need to do guys, you will need to just straighten it. It's very soft, it's very easy to straighten it. Sometimes you can see ours, we bent it right here guys, and we didn't even notice that, but on this car we were lucky enough that it actually didn't guys cause any scraping. But you can see how close that backing plate is here guys. You can see like on this Dodge that we have, and if you look on the back side, that's the backing plate right here. You barely move it and it touches the disc guys. And if you bent it because the wheel fell on it and it bent it, or you were supporting the car or something like that and you bent it while working on it, while removing a bolt, that can guys be scraping your disc brake. So make sure that the backing plate is not scraping the disc. This is the number one cause for that. Now if you guys want to know whether you need to replace your disc rollers, we made a special video that's called "Do I Need New Brake Rollers?" It will talk about thickness, how to measure them, and when to replace them. So check it out. Complete video will be on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.